I am helping on this one.
This is the first and only makeup tutorial I'm speaking over. So I hope you all enjoy it.
I'm gonna help.
Hi everyone.
Get
Here
your two
are my
Animal
leaves.
Crossing leaves. Here they are. Could have been from
This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer.
Right.
You're going to put that. Oh, okay, never mind. Dior Air Flash Spray Foundation, and then we're going to blend.
Blend
Yeah,
it.
blend onto your face.
I like
Beat
the
the shit out of your
pictures
face.
you
Okay.
make
NYX.
Nyx.
NYX Wonder Stick.
Yeah. Look like a cartoon character outline. Do it.
Outline your
Did
face.
you make a smiley face on your forehead?
Yes, I did. Okay, take the
That looks like
highlighter.
war paint.
No, take the highlighter part of the stick. Okay, never mind. Fit Me by Maybelline. You're going to brush that lightly onto your skin.
Yeah.
Struggle with your wig cap. Pretend you look great.
Lunch lady.
Apply wig. Twirl. Shade plus light. Kat Von D.
Kat Von D.
Contour. Palette. Okay, blend. Yep.
Yeah.
This is the Cali
Smashbox.
Kiss Smashbox blush palette.
That's by a YouTuber.
Nikki Tutorial highlighter
That's
trio.
just Michelle.
Take it in the blue color.
Take it.
All right, I didn't show it, but you
gotta
have to
clip
apply
this.
it to your cheeks and your nose and your brow.
That's a pencil.
Yes.
And you
Ignore
gotta
this
rub it-
angle.
You gotta rub it on your eyebrow.
This is precisely my brow pencil in warm black brown. Then you're gonna take the Anastasia clear brow gel and you're
Okay.
going to apply that to your brows. Okay, next is the gemstone
Huda
Huda.
Beauty.
Yes.
Huda Beauty.
Take it in this like nice pink
never gonna
opaly
go
color. NYX glitter roll on.
NYX.
Okay, NYX. It's NYX,
Next.
I think. Probably not. Apply that.
Clam it up.
No. Better than sex eyeliner in black. I'm so bad at this. Okay, so you're gonna start with the wing. Yep. That's how it's gonna look, and you're gonna fill the wing completely in.
Don't use a Sharpie.
It's gonna look a little crazy at first, but the more, yep, okay. So you're gonna connect it, and you're gonna draw some lines. Yep. It doesn't look sharp right now, but trust me, you're gonna wanna make it look a
You
little
gotta
sharper.
really add the weight on there.
Yes, at least 5 pounds.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
This is one of my favorite parts right here. Look at that. You said it looks like a sketchbook, right?
It's supposed to look like you sketched
It looks
it.
like a clam.
It doesn't look like a clam. It's supposed to be like a sketchy
It looks like a
eyeliner look, like you like drew it on. It's supposed to be
I don't know.
messy and
It
vibrant.
looks like a
Can you
clam.
listen? I don't want anyone to think it's based off a clam. You know what? Actually, it's fine.
And
Animal
you
Crossing
use-
is
you
here.
use
You
the
could base it
seashell
off one of
palette
the
for it?
seashells, the clams. This is gel eyeliner. I don't remember where it's from, but it's 24-hour. Yeah. This is NYX white liquid eyeliner. I'm just going over the.
Oh, you're
The
about to do
white.
my real favorite part. It's coming up. My
And then
real
you
favorite
blend it
part.
with a really musty looking Q-tip, and then you're gonna go over it in the Better Than Sex eyeliner just to make it a little darker. Go with the James Charles Morphe palette or any
little-
Morphe palette
put a
or
little
any
pink under there.
eyeshadow palette that you
Put some
have
blush
in
under your
black.
eyes.
Take the pink. You shut up.
Okay.
Take the pink. Go under the black. Okay.
Here they are.
Now we-
now
now
you see
we-
that, guys?
We add the dots.
She does this on every look. You guys see that? The little dots?
Thank
Look
you.
at that.
Okay, Better Than Sex
Put those on
mascara.
her seashells.
And these are
House of
Lashes.
Yep.
Yep. Cocoa Lashes, I believe. Okay.
Oh, from Target.
Yeah.
That's Winky. I saw
It's
that. I was
Winky
looking if you
Lux.
got that. Boys,
Okay.
get ready. We're about to combine
Vivid
these.
color.
You ready for this? This is about to blow your mind. So she
Vivid
puts on one
Maybelline
lipstick.
Vivid
That's
Color
not enough.
lipstick in Dark Plum, I believe it's called, and then you mix it over the red ColourPop lipstick in Creeper.
Oh, look at that.
You add a nice clip to your wig that's falling off,
Oh, look at that.
and then you're done.
That's the look right
You're
there.
welcome, everyone. I hope
Look
you
at
all
that.
enjoy.
That's the NCIS McCoy Chanel.
Stop!
I killed
No,
it.
you earned it.
I killed it.
Alright. Yep. Now this is gonna last for a couple
there
more
it
minutes.
is.
Yep, she's done. I'm not gonna add this part in.
I'm gonna.
No. Alright, goodbye.
That's me.
She's done.